The first step is to open your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome, okay? As your web browser opens, visit clipchamp.com. You can see the link here, clipchamp.com, okay? Once the web page opens, you'll be landed on an interface that looks like this. If you have an existing account with Microsoft, maybe you use Microsoft app like OneDrive, Word, Excel, Microsoft 365, all right? So click on this sign in and then sign in with the email address and the password, all right? But if you don't have an account with Microsoft before now, click on this option, try for free, and follow the on-screen guide. Once you're done creating an account on Clipchamp, you'll be logged in automatically. All right. Okay, so once you log in successfully, you'll be landed on an interface that looks like this. Okay, so once you're here, the next step is to create your new video. So click on this option, create a new video. Okay, so we'll be taken to an interface that looks like this. And here is trying to guide you on what to do from here. You can see here, new, search our content. You can find music, video, shapes, and more right here. Got it, okay? There's no problem. We don't want that for now. So our interest here is to record a video here. So click on this record and create button, okay? Once you click on this record and create, you are shown some options. You have screen and camera, all right, which allows you to record yourself and the screen of your PC at the same time. You have camera, which allows you to record the camera, all right, record with the camera of your laptop. This one, screen, allows you to capture only the screen of this laptop, all right, of the laptop you are using. Audio allows you to record only audio. If you scroll down here, you see another option here, which is text to speech, which allows you to type in some text and then you change it to speech. So here, let's take them practically. We are going to start with screen, and after that, we go with camera so that you see how it looks like. So I'll click on this screen. On clicking on that, you'll be taken to this interface. Here it's saying that I should allow this Clipchamp to use microphone. Just tap on allow. And you are landed here. So the next step is to click on this record button. On clicking on this record button, you are provided with some options. Here is Chrome tab because I'm using Microsoft Chrome in this case. So if you want to record, if you want to record everything that is happening in this if you want to record everything that's happening in this Chrome web browser, you go with this option. Then here is window. When you click on this option, it will show you some windows that's some files or some applications that are open in this PC currently. All right, so you can select it and then record what is going on there. Then you have this one, entire screen. Okay, this entire screen allows you to record everything that is going on the screen of your PC, notwithstanding the app, the folder, and any program that is opened on it. And I will recommend you go with this entire screen option. Okay, that would be the best choice for you so that you can switch from one app to another, or from one folder to another, or from one file to another. Okay, so anything that goes on your screen, it will capture it. So select this option by clicking on it and then click here. All right, this preview, click here. Once you click there and it's selected, the entire screen preview, then click on share. The next thing is click on hide. So start recording anything that is happening. Okay, let's take for example that I want to capture this file explorer. I want to click here. I'll click on this and then once it opens, I will start capturing everything happening here. All right, you can see I can talk about the folders, everything, anything that happens here on this PC right now, on this app, is being captured. So anything you are doing is being captured with your audio. All right. So that is how you can use the screen option of Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, so let's say that I'm done with teaching you everything I want you to learn about File Explorer in this case. The next step is to stop the screen capturing, and then once you do that, it is you save it on that Microsoft Clipchamp. Okay, so on the assumption that I'm done, what I will do is to take my cursor to my web browser, which is Chrome in this case. Then click on this preview of the web browser. All right. Then you are taken back here. Then hit this stop button. All right. Once you do that, you will see this save and edit. Click on it. Once you do that, give it time. You will see that what the clip you just recorded will be here. Okay. It will be placed here. Yes, it's supposed to be one, but I recorded something before now. All right. So anything you record will be placed by this left margin, and automatically it will be dropped down in this timeline. Okay. So when you want to edit, you click here and start from the beginning to start your video editing. That is how it works. Okay. So this is for screen capturing. So let's talk about the camera. All right. Camera. So if you want to record your face, that's use the camera of your PC. The next step, the first step you need to take is to click on this record and edit, record and create button. Okay. When you do that, select camera. It's requesting that you should allow the Clipchamp to have access to your microphone. Click on allow. So now I have allowed it and it's capturing my face, though my face is kind of dark, all right, and it's kind of sluggish. Yeah, it's because I'm using two apps at the same time here. Okay, so that's why the motion is not flowing as supposed to flow. So once you're done capturing your face, just click on this stop button. All right, so once you click on that button, click on save and edit. As usual, the recording is placed here automatically and then placed in the timeline. All right. Then a copy is also saved in the downloads folder of your laptop. So you have a lot of places where your files are, so you can start your editing from here there. All right. So this is how you can record with Clipchamp, both the camera and the screen aspect, screen capture. Okay. You can test the other options and see the results you get. If you find this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Okay. Thank you and see you some other time.